Now we're going to look at work planning, okay? And again, you don't need me to do a lot of talking here, so I'm just going to step through this, okay? And this is you looking at what we call a Gantt chart, or a work schedule chart if you prefer. It tells you when certain events are meant to happen and to predict or to show any delays which might occur. The critical path is designed to take the most shortest route possible, and that's considered to be the most economical. But bear in mind that these things can change. So again, always look at alternative critical paths where possible. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And don't forget to do additional research so that you understand the information which has been provided. Okay, bye-bye.